Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 905 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, we've got commentary on the crypto market from BitBull Capital's Joe DePasquale, as well as some November updates from both Bitfarms and NILE. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Joe DePasquale, the CEO of BitBull Capital, has provided commentary to InvestorIdeas.com regarding the state of Bitcoin's price and market. Quote, Fed Chair Powell's speech addressing the labor market resulted in improved market sentiment as he iterated the need for caution in the fight against inflation. What the market is now looking toward is a potential soft landing, giving breathing room to both equities and crypto assets. Since the speech, Bitcoin reclaimed $17,000 USD, while Ethereum tested $1,300. Moving forward, however, the market will be looking toward the FOMC meeting on December 14th to see if the next rate hike is lower than 50 BPS. If yes, we could see another injection of bullish sentiment, possibly taking Bitcoin to $20,000. End quote. For more from Joe DePasquale, please visit bitbullcapital.com. All right, so Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker BITF, has published a Bitcoin production and mining operations update for November 2022. Highlights include the mining of 453 Bitcoins, the installation of over 2,300 miners in Rio Cuarto, Argentina, and a hash rate capacity of 4.4 exahash per second online as of November 30th. Jeff Morphy, the president and COO of the company, said, quote, Our strategy of using low-cost hydropower and highly efficient miners continues to deliver stable electricity rates and consistently low production costs. As such, we believe that Bitfarms is well positioned to benefit from any industry-related curtailment, idling, or shutting down of miners that may occur as a result of high fossil fuel energy source expense. As previously discussed, Argentina's macroeconomic environment is causing delays in the importation of most goods, which is adversely affecting our ability to bring in the additional miners we need to operate the first warehouse at its full capacity of 50 megawatts. These delays may impact the company's 5.0 exahash goal for year-end 2022. End quote. Lastly for today, NILE Holdings, Inc., which trades on the NYSEAmerican under the ticker symbol NILE, has published an unaudited update on Bitcoin production and miner installation. According to the press release, the company has increased its number of miners to 20,441 S19J Pro and XP Ant miners, which once installed and energized will generate a combined processing power of approximately 2.21 exahash per second. And during the month, the company received 92.2 Bitcoins as a result of its miners providing computing power to a mining pool operator. Milton Todd Alt III, BitNile's executive chairman, said, quote, The newest green XP miners installed in Michigan have allowed us to reach a new high of approximately 1.06 exahash per second. The team is still working through the issues at the Wolf Hollow hosting facility in Texas, as well as developing new relationships to operate the remaining machines. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.